Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to source for the latest drone leaks and tech updates. Helicopter. Today, we're revealing the DJI 2025 drone lineup, packed with unbelievable upgrades, cutting-edge features, and game-changing innovations. If you're a drone enthusiast, you won't want to miss what DJI has in store for the future. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest drone news and reviews. Number 5. DJI Avata 3. Enhanced camera system. A larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch CMOS sensor for improved image quality and low-light performance, advanced stabilization, improved stabilization technology for smoother footage, extended flight time, optimizations leading to longer flight durations, upgraded transmission, enhanced transmission systems for better control and real-time video feedback. Next-generation transmission. An O4 transmission system may provide higher resolution live feeds, reduced latency, and increased range. DJI Avata 3. What to expect from the next-gen FPV drone? DJI Avata 3 is expected to push the boundaries of FPV drone technology with improved stabilization, longer battery life, and a higher resolution camera for immersive aerial footage. With enhanced obstacle avoidance and upgraded motion controls, Avata 3 could redefine the FPV experience for both beginners and professionals. Number 4. Matrice 4. Designed for high-speed aerial mapping and surveying, the Matrice 4E features a 24mm wide-angle lens with a mechanical shutter, allowing for rapid 0.5-second interval shooting. Its smart 3D capture feature enables the creation of rough models and mapping routes directly on the remote controller. Advanced imaging system. The Matrice 4 series is equipped with a sophisticated multi-sensor camera system, including a 70mm medium telephoto camera for detailed inspections and a 168mm telephoto camera capable of capturing intricate details from up to 250 meters away. Laser rangefinder. Both models feature a laser rangefinder with a measurement range of up to 1,800 meters, providing precise distance measurements crucial for various applications. Enhanced low-light performance. With enhanced night mode and larger apertures, the drones deliver clear visuals during low-light operations, making them suitable for nighttime missions. Intelligent obstacle detection. Equipped with 6 high-definition low-light fisheye lenses, the Matrice 4 series offers intelligent obstacle detection and rerouting capabilities, ensuring safer flights even in complex environments. Tailored for public safety and emergency response. The Matrice 4T integrates an infrared thermal camera supporting high-resolution modes up to 1280 by 1024 pixels, aiding in heat detection for applications like search and rescue. The DJI Matrice 4 series is designed for industrial applications, featuring a powerful camera system, advanced AI capabilities, and enhanced safety features. Ideal for search and rescue, construction, and surveillance, this drone is built to deliver unmatched performance in demanding environments. Number 3. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to set new standards in the lightweight drone category, offering enhanced features while maintaining a compact design. With an expected weight of under 250 g, DJI has consistently improved the camera technology in its Mini series, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, improved HDR capabilities, and enhanced low-light performance. One of the most anticipated improvements in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is battery life. With advancements in battery technology, the drone is expected to surpass the 30-minute flight time mark, allowing users to capture more footage in a single charge. DJI's drones have always been packed with smart features, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. While DJI has yet to confirm the official release date, industry insiders speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will launch in mid to late 2025. For an in-depth look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro, check out my YouTube channel, where I provide hands-on reviews, flight tests, and comparisons with previous models. I'll cover real-world performance, camera quality, and unique features, helping you decide whether this drone is worth the upgrade. Stay tuned for exclusive leaks, tips, and expert insights. Number 2. DJI Neo 2. Improved camera system. A larger sensor, such as a 1/1.7-inch CMOS, for better image quality and low-light performance. Extended flight time. Battery improvements could offer flight times exceeding 20 minutes. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Inclusion of additional sensors for enhanced safety during flight. Vertical video mode, a feature allowing for vertical video capture, catering to social media content creators, enhanced tracking capabilities, improved subject tracking for dynamic filming. Scenarios. While DJI has not confirmed a release date, industry rumors suggest that the Neo 2 could be announced in the second half of 2025. This speculation is based on DJI's typical product update cycles and recent patent filings. The DJI Neo has been making waves as a compact, lightweight drone perfect for vloggers and adventure seekers. But are there other unannounced DJI drones coming in 2025? With rumors of a foldable DJI Flip and a possible Air 3S, the drone giant might have even more surprises in store. Stay tuned for the latest leaks and updates. Number 1. DJI FPV 2. DJI's FPV drone evolution. In April 2024, DJI introduced the DJI Avata 2, an advancement in their FPV lineup. The Avata 2 offers an immersive flight experience with improved imaging, safety features, and extended battery life. Notable enhancements include intuitive motion control, a super-wide 4K camera, and built-in propeller guards for added safety. Market speculations. While there is no official confirmation of a DJI FPV 2, industry observers anticipate that DJI may continue to expand its FPV offerings. Potential features speculated for future FPV models include advanced obstacle avoidance systems, higher frame rate cameras for smoother footage, and improved integration with DJI's latest goggles and motion controllers. Community insights. The FPV community has been actively discussing the future of DJI's FPV drones. Some users express a desire for better cameras and enhanced flight capabilities in upcoming models. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which DJI 2025 drone are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive leaks, reviews, and drone insights. See you in the next video.